So number 6 is already in factored form. That's helpful because that means I can find the x-intercepts. The first x-intercept, let me zoom this in a little bit, that I'm going to do is -4, 0. That means the root is -4 with multiplicity 2, which means there's 2 of them. That's when you're going to have a bounce. So I might put that in parentheses for my own sanity. Now 1/2 x, if I set 1/2 x equal to 0, my answer is 0. 0, 0. So that means the other answer is 0. And there's only one of them. The 1/2 doesn't affect it. So if I was to solve 1/2 x equal to 0, I'd multiply both sides by 2, x equals 0. There's only one answer. There's only one x. This means it's x to the 3rd power. So I'm going to put it in standard form. In order to write it in standard form, it's x plus 4 times x plus 4. When I box that out, I get x squared, 2 numbers that add and 2 numbers that multiply. And then I'm going to multiply that by 1/2 x. Sorry about that. So I go y equals 1/2 x cubed. Half of 8 is 4, x squared. Half of 16 is 8. Now, once it's in standard form, I can obviously see it goes x cubed, x squared, x, and then a number. There is no number, which means the y-intercept is 0, 0. Something I could have found out as soon as I saw the x-intercept was 0. But we just want to make sure, and it's a good way to check. Okay? Something else I can do is I guess I can start graphing now. So my zeros are -4 and 0. I've got a bounce there, so just for my own sanity, I think I'm going to highlight that as a bounce so I don't forget it. These are my x-intercepts, but they're also my y-intercept here. All right. X to the 3rd power is like a line. A line starts from down here. It's positive, so I do start from down there. So now I'm going to go here from the bottom, and it told me I have to bounce. I'm going to bounce. Then I got to go right back through in order to hit the 0. This is -infinity, positive infinity. I'm going to pretend this is the point -2, -3, because I feel like it. -2 is between 0 and 4. Sorry about that. And it's below the x-axis. The x-axis, so that's what the -3 is. All right, let's do the max and the min. There is no max and there is no min, but there's a relative max, -4, 0, and a relative min, -4, 0. -2, -3. So my max and my relative min. I'm going to deal with my intervals. So it goes from here to here is increasing from -infinity to -4. From here to here is decreasing from -4 to -2. And then from here to here is -2 to positive infinity, increasing. Okay? Yeah, and behavior as x approaches -infinity, f of x approaches. As x approaches positive infinity, f of x approaches. So on the negative side, it's actually going down. And on the positive side, it is going up. So negative goes with negative, positive with positive. Domain is everything to the left, everything to the right. All real numbers, -infinity to positive infinity. Range is everything up, everything down, all real numbers, -infinity to positive infinity. That one went way quicker. It's helpful when it's already factored.